If you are still paying massive monthly subscriptions for AI video generators, you need to stop right now. The AI video space has completely ruptured. The gatekeeping is over. Some of the biggest tech giants and stealth AI labs on the planet have quietly released hyper-realistic, production-grade video models that you can use entirely for free. Today, we are breaking down the top 4 free AI video generators you can start using today. We aren't just talking about generic 3-second clips. We're talking about cinematic camera controls, multilingual lip syncing, and native synchronized audio generated in a single pass. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to create studio quality content without spending a single dime. First up on our list is Google Flow. This is Google's creative workspace ecosystem designed specifically for cinematic storytelling. Built on top of their flagship VO 3.1 model, Flow changes the game because it solves the biggest problem in AI video: consistency. Instead of giving you a single, disconnected 5-second clip, Google Flow allows you to extend clips, string scenes together, and build out full narrative structures. It even handles native AI audio and ambient sound effects simultaneously. The free tier gives you 50 credits daily, which I think is good for the quality you get for free. Let me show you some of my generations.
The storm's getting worse. We'll ride it out, old friend. Just like always.
Now, I know copy-pasting prompts from a YouTube video description can be a massive pain, and trying to remember all these hidden settings while you're creating is impossible. So I did the heavy lifting for you. I have put together a complete, step-by-step AI video generator master guide PDF. This isn't just a basic cheat sheet. Inside, I've included the exact prompts I used in this video. You can download this entire guide completely for free right now. Just click the link in the description below and get it fully for free. It's the ultimate shortcut to skipping the trial and error phase. Next up is Meta AI. If Google Flow is a heavy-duty production tool, Meta AI is your absolute speed demon, optimized perfectly for social media creators. Integrated directly into their chat ecosystems and web platform, it is 100% free, incredibly fast, and fantastic for short, snappy content. Meta's text-to-video capabilities excel at vibrant color palettes, highly legible text rendering within the video, and pop culture or stylized aesthetics. It's perfect for whipping up Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts hooks on the fly. However, it has a problem. The generations don't have sound and have a watermark, but there are sites where you can fix that. Anyway, let me show you what I created in Meta. Now look, generating these incredible videos for free is only half the battle. If you want to actually build an audience or grow a business, you have to post them everywhere. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, LinkedIn. But manually uploading to 5 different platforms every day, it's a total nightmare. That is why I use and recommend repurpose.io. It is the ultimate automation tool for content creators. You simply upload your generated AI video to one platform like YouTube or TikTok, and repurpose.io automatically strips the watermarks, reformats it, and distributes it to all your other social channels completely on autopilot. It saves me easily 10 to 15 hours of manual work every week. All right, moving on to tool number 3, Arena. Developed by ArenaX Labs, this tool is the ultimate hidden gem. It allows you to battle random AI models against each other. This allows you to see which video generator is the best, and then you can use them outside of Arena. You get 2 battles daily, which sum up to 4 videos, which combined with Flow's 5 daily generations and Meta's unlimited filler videos, give you everything you would want. Arena uses a highly decentralized, open-ended community model approach. It gives creators unique, advanced, granular controls over camera angles, allowing you to easily orchestrate complex movements like 360-degree orbits, dramatic dolly zooms, or sudden pan tilts, while maintaining pristine visual quality on a totally free tier framework. The videos often look amazing as well. Maybe not as flows, but still very good. Look for yourself and tell me in comments which AI video generator is the best by far. Last but certainly not least, we have the heavyweight absolute champion of joint audio-visual generation, ByteDance's Seedance 1.5 Pro. ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, built this model using a proprietary dual-branch architecture. What does that mean? It means it generates the video and the audio simultaneously in a single pass. Seedance 1.5 Pro doesn't just slap a background track on your clip. It generates hyper-precise, millisecond-level lip-syncing across multiple languages, matches facial micro-expressions with real-time dialogue, and renders flawless film-grade cinematography. It is unmatched for short dramas and cinematic ads. I think this one rivals the top AI video generators. Just take a look yourself.
We're out of time. You have to initiate the sequence now.
そうだってば、俺はネグお師匠。好きだよ。
I told you, these 4 generators I showed you are a powerhouse together with which you can make anything you would dream of. Alright, let me wrap this up. The landscape of video creation has completely changed. You don't need a massive Hollywood budget or a $100 a month subscription service anymore. If you want long-form, cohesive world building, go with Google Flow. If you need lightning-fast, flashy content for your socials, type a prompt into Meta AI. For unparalleled camera movement control, fire up Arena. And if you want jaw-dropping cinematic realism with native audio and flawless lip-syncing, Seedance 1.5 Pro is your absolute king. Don't forget to grab your free trial of repurpose.io using the link down below to automate your entire distribution workflow. The link to the PDFs are there as well. If you enjoyed this video, you will enjoy the next one, since I will be showing how to create long videos with AI video generators. Anyway, get out there, start creating, and I'll see you in the next video.